Budgeting doesn't fail because you're lazy. It fails because it was never designed for your 20s. In your 20s, your income changes, your expenses are unpredictable, and life hits you fast. Rent, friends, emergencies, random stuff no one warned you about. Traditional budgets assume stability, but your life right now is anything but stable. You don't overspend because you're bad with money. You overspend because your system is too rigid for real life. Quick check. If you've ever made a budget, followed it for 2 weeks, then completely gave up, yeah, you're not alone. If this already sounds familiar, hit like so this reaches more people in their 20s who need to hear it. Here's the real problem. Budgeting focuses on restriction, not flow. It tells you what you can't spend instead of telling your money where to go first. That's why people with jobs still feel broke. What actually works is a simple money flow. Pay essentials first, automate progress, then spend guilt-free. No spreadsheets, no tracking every coffee. If you want videos that actually fix this stuff, subscribe. Budgeting didn't fail you. It just wasn't built for your 20s.